video, it's time for an unboxing. Yeah! What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Yes, and we have a really cool unboxing / review video for you today. Ooh, yes. This is a scanner for your truck. I think it might work with cars too, I'm not sure, but let's dive down deep into this thing. It's by Ancel, the HD601 heavy duty truck handheld code reader. And the crowd goes wild. No, I'm just joking. Anyway, this thing is great. I'll tell you why. Before you even open the box, you're out on the road, your engine light comes on, you're nowhere near a dealership. You know, what is wrong with the truck, right? Having one of these things could help you out a lot. Give you some insight on what's going on with the truck. So yeah, let's take a look. Where do we open this thing? Here we go. I think, no, wait, here we go. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen. Comes with a user's manual. Yes indeedy. Wow, I can already tell you, I like this thing. The build quality looks really, really good. And it's actually got some weight to it. It doesn't feel like one of those, you know, chintzy deals. It's got some weight to it. Standard, you know, this might work in the car. I gotta look, you know what? Let's see what it comes with here. Comes with the thing for the truck, the adapters for the truck, plugs in like this. I don't know if this is going to work for the car, though. I don't know. This almost looks like an OBD2 connector, but it's been so long since I've messed with cars. I mean, I went to school for automotive technology when I came out of the Navy, but damned if I know what the hell I'm doing now. It's been so long. Things have changed, and I think that's in there all the way. But yeah, plug this bad boy up into the truck. And it should power on. I don't know if this thing has any... I don't know. Let me read the book real quick so I don't mess anything up here. Let me... Bear with me, folks. Just messing this all up. Oh, no. Don't fall. Okay. Stay there. You stay there. Let's check out the book here while we're taking a look at this thing here. Heavy duty handheld code reader HD601 by anceltech.com. www.anceltech.com. Okay. Alrighty then, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see here. Connection to the vehicle. Parameters. Appearance and key. This is going over all the buttons and stuff. I'm just trying to see if I could find like a quick deal here. Let's see. Appearance and description. Blah 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 blah. For those of you that are out there that drive a truck, most of you are tech savvy enough to know how these things work. But I'm just trying to give you the best possible setup. Here we go. We got diagnostic procedure, HD OBD, WWH OBD. I'm guessing that this thing will work in a car. If this thing works in a car, then I'll plug it into my car. Let's see here. But I don't know if it will, though. This is designed for a truck. So, I don't know. The next video that we're going to do on this is obviously going to be on a truck. We're going to plug it into a truck and see what we can see, but it's saying here that we need to download this software on your computer, okay, to upgrade the software on the unit, which is good. That way everything stays up to date. So I need to go ahead and do that as well. But The main part of this is, look folks, you're out there on the road, your engine light comes on, and you want to know what the hell's going on, okay? Having one of these could save some time, save some money, you know, because let me tell you something. I had a driver call me up today, and they tried to rip him off. They tried to say, yeah, well, you need this and you need that and blah 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 blah. And had the driver not been street savvy, tech savvy, you know, and knowing what he has and what's going on with the truck, you know, they would have ripped him off. Okay, having one of these might help you from getting ripped off. Because if you got a code, right? Now, I'm not saying, you know, that this thing is going to pick up everything. I don't know. But having one of these, you know, it might say, okay, well, you got a fuel rail pressure problem or something like that. You know, at least you know where the problem is coming from and what direction the problem is coming from. So if they're like, well, yeah, you need an alternator, you need a radiator too, you need to replace the whole damn motor. You know what the real problem is? Ain't got no gas in it. Anyway, so today's little short video about this, okay? Like I said, I can't plug it in to the computer right now. I can't plug it into myself. So, stay tuned for the next video that we're going to do on this, on a truck, or if it in fact does work, because like I said, it's been a while since I've messed with cars, okay? But this does appear to be an OBD2 standard connection, and if in fact it is, I will try and plug it in on my own car, and hopefully I don't mess shit up. I don't know. So, also, before we get out of here, in the description box, there is a discount code in the description box. If you're interested in purchasing one of these, the link for the item will be there, and the discount code is going to be there as well. Save yourself some money, save yourself some time, find out what's wrong with the truck, follow the instruction book that I just threw out behind me, all that good stuff. But in the meantime, check out the link, check out the discount code. I'm going to go familiarize myself with this thing a little bit more. Stay tuned for the next video on it. Don't forget to hit the like button and comment, and subscribe.